So here's the next example. I think it's number 5 now. We're number 5 of factoring polynomial. So this time we're going to factor trinomials that have both a leading coefficient, as well as a GCF. It has two things, okay? Here's an example to show you what to do with those kind of trinomials. So first thing is to notice that when I see an x at the very end, so an x needs to come out for sure. And I see a 6, 21, 45. 6 cannot go to 21. 6 cannot go to 45. But a 3 can go to 6. 3 can go to 21. 3 can go to 45. So we can pull out a 3 and the x. So this is 3 and the x that need to come out. So, and then we're going to have 2x squared minus 7x and minus 15. It's going to be, let's see, 15, 3, yeah, that's 15. There's going to be left to 15 there. All right. So you have two choices. One is to use the quadratic form, or you can use the tabular method. Okay. Let's use the quadratic form to factor the what is inside. Okay. If you remember or recall from that video number 2, so this is what you do. I'm going to keep this 3x going all the way. All right. And I focus on what is in here. I need to convert that 2x squared to a perfect square. So I need to multiply everything by 2 and divide it by 2. So it will be multiply everything by 2 will be 4x squared minus 14x minus 30. Remember, I multiply by 2, I must divide by 2, okay? Okay, so now I can write this inside parentheses like a quadratic form. Okay, I keep bringing everything down, okay? So it will look like this. So it will be 2x squared plus, no, it's minus. So minus, so minus something with the 2x. So 2 times 7 will give me 14. And then the 30, I'm not going to do anything with the 30, okay? It's just going to stay like that. Remember to divide by 2 all the way. All right, now I am going to let the 2x squared be u. Let's 2x be u rather. 2x is now our u. And now we can have 3x is going to keep coming down, okay? And then we're going to have u squared minus 7u minus 30. All right. Okay, so, and then all those divided by 2. All right. But we are not done. So we need to factor this as that. So we have 30. Negative 30, well, if I put it over there and I want to get 7. So this is negative 30. And I want to get 7. So what I can do is to do 10 times 3. And I want to get negative 7. So negative 10 times 3 will give negative 30. And negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. So u minus 10. And then u plus 3 will be the u factors, okay? So I'll put the 3x there and then divide by 2 that I multiply with at first. Okay, now I am going to replace the u with 2x. So let's keep on going. So it will be 3x. This is really fun to do. Minus 10. And then 2x plus 3. I just replace the u. And then don't forget to divide by 2 at the very end. Okay, we're not done still. We have to look for something we can take out from any of the binomial. Here we can take out a 2 from the, here. So it'll be 3x times, there's a 2 coming out to be x minus 5. And then 2x plus 3. So divide by 2. Usually the 2 that you multiply with at first is going to come out at the very end as a factor. So we can just go away like that. And then so the final factor for this problem is 3x parentheses x minus 5 and 2x plus 3. So now I promised I was going to do it two ways. So this is the other way to do it. We're going to go from right here after we pull out the common factor. So what we're going to do is to factor the inside. Do 2 times 15. 2 times negative 15 is negative 30, which is negative 30. And then we do negative 30 will be negative 10 and 3 like we found. So we're going to write it like this: 3x, 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. Remember, this is another way. This is not, don't confuse them. So I'm going to replace this one with negative 10x and then 3x. And then I'm going to set up the box. If this works better for you, go for it. So this is going to be 2x squared and then negative 10x and then 3x. I'm just putting this into the diagonal, and then 15, negative 15 over there. So now I pull out the GCF. 2x squared negative 10x, that will be 2x, and 3x negative 15 will be just 3. Okay, and then 2x, to get 2x squared I just need an x, and here I just need a 5, negative 5. And then there you have it. So it will be 3x parentheses x minus 5, 2x plus 3. We got the same answer using the two methods. So this is second method. Okay, so it's fun to be able to see both methods work. All right, I hope this helps a little bit.